Angle similarity criterion. If the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then their corresponding sides are proportional and hence the triangles are similar. So for the proof, we need two triangles, triangle ABC and the triangle PQR, and given in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal with angle P, angle B equal with angle Q, and angle C equal with angle R. And here we need to prove the two triangles ABC and PQR are similar to each other. So when the two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in proportion. So here we need to prove AB divided by PQ is equal to SC divided by PR is equal to BC divided by QR. And for proof this theorem, a construction is required. So take 2 points L and M on PQ and PR such that PL, the line PL is equal to AB and PM is equal to SC, and join LM. This is the construction. Now consider the two triangles ABC and the triangle PLM. So in these two triangles, AB is equal with PL and SC is equal with PM by construction, and angle A is equal with angle P. This is given. So by side angle side congruency, here we prove the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PLM. So if the two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are equal. That is, angle B is equal to angle L. But here given that angle B is equal with this angle B is equal with angle Q. So from these two we conclude that angle L is equal with angle Q. And here look at the figure. Here LQ is the transversal and LM and QR are the two lines. So here angle L and angle Q are the corresponding angles, and when the corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. That is, LM is parallel to QR. And when the two lines are parallel to each other in the triangle, then by basic proportionality theorem we will obtain the other two sides are in proportion. So PL by LQ equal to PM by MR. Then so here you obtain PL by LQ equal to PM by MR. By taking the reciprocal, we will obtain LQ by PL equal to MR by PM. Then by adding 1 on the both sides, then by taking the LCM, we will obtain this one. Now LQ plus PL is equal to PQ and MR plus PM is equal to PR. So PQ by PL equal to PR by PM. And here PQ, your PL equal to AB and PM equal to SC. So here we obtain PQ by AB equal to PR by SC. Then by taking reciprocal, AB by PQ is equal to SC by PR. This is your equation 1. Now AB by PQ is equal with BC divided by PQR. This is the equation 2. So here we obtain AB by PQ is equal to SC by PR is equal to BC divided by QR, and hence our theorem is proved here. So here we proved the two triangles ABC and the triangle PQR are similar to each other. So this is all about your angle similarity criterion. That is, if the corresponding angles in two triangles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the two triangles are similar. Another thing is given, note here, if the two corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then also the two triangles are similar, and this is referred as angle similarity criterion.